Today we are going to show you the revolutionary Perfect Pass drywall knife, the fastest, cleanest way to fill a drywall joint. And it is so simple, anyone can do it. And the best part, no sanding is needed, so there's no dust and no mess. The key to this tool is a patented cutout notch design. It is shaped to give you the perfect amount of drywall compound every time. In this short video, we're going to show you the 3 steps to a perfect drywall seam and how this revolutionary notch design shapes the compound to the perfect height every time. Step 1, filling the joint. After the tape is set, use your 4-inch knife to cover the tape with a mound of drywall mud. Apply a liberal amount of mud to the entire length of the joint. After the entire joint is covered, you are ready for the magic to begin. Hold your Perfect Pass knife at a 30-degree angle and slowly shape the compound with long and continuous strokes. Wipe any excess mud off your knife and back into your pan. Do not go back and reshape, as this will cause the compound to leave drag marks. The revolutionary notched edge will leave the compound raised in the center of the joint and at the perfect shape and height. If you have any small voids or imperfections, there's no need to reshape because these will be filled during the feathering coat. When you complete the Perfect Pass, your compound should be slightly above the face of the drywall sheet and match the shape cut out in the knife. After the compound is dry from step 1, use your 10-inch taping knife to smooth any high spots. Then you are ready for step 2, feathering the joint. Using a standard 10-inch taping knife, spread the compound from the center out approximately 9 inches to the outside of the joint. Feather the compound out at the far edge of the joint by putting a bit more pressure on the outside of your taping knife. The center ridge is your guide to spread the compound out at the perfect angle and the perfect depth. Repeat step 2 on the other side of the joint. Working both sides of the joint as you move along the wall, using your center ridge, continue down the wall. The finished joint should be about 18 inches wide and smooth on the outside edges.
After the compound is completely dry, you're ready for step 3, smoothing the joint. Use the edge of your 10-inch taping knife to scrape any ridges, strips, or high spots smooth. Now use a damp sponge and lightly wipe your joint. Feather the outside edges smooth, only light wiping is necessary. Spread the compound smooth, filling any small voids, being careful not to remove the compound covering the tape. Then allow the joint to dry. Carefully inspect your joints. If you discover any voids, you can fill them with a small amount of compound and allow them to dry. You are now ready to prime and paint.